Hello everybody, today I'm going to be talking to you about the best supplements for beginners. This is in my opinion, of course, and I am a beginner and I think these are the most helpful. So I'm going to go over what I take. First off, when you're a beginner in the gym, you don't need any of this stuff at all. You don't need any of this. Like, you can just go into the gym, start working, because this stuff will not help you out first. So I just started taking these. I really like them. So first I'm going to go with this fish oil. Take this. It's really good omega-3 fatty acids you see right there. Those are really good for you. Next I take this multivitamin. Both Kirkland brand. This has a lot of good nutrients in it. There are better. Some people like multivitamins with more, that you take more pills at once so you get more nutrients from each. But I just take this one. I take one a day. It has good amount of stuff in it. I don't know if you can see this, but yep, I just take one pill. My dog is going crazy. Alright, I'm back. Someone was at my door, so. Alright, I was talking about these when I left off. These I use because they help my stomach digest food a little bit better. I just realized that 5 grams of fiber is really good. Fiber keeps you full and stuff too, so I like to use those. Caffeine tablets, of course, I mentioned these in my last video. Use them for working out. They're very helpful, keeping me awake the whole day. Now this right here, spirulina, I've just started taking this very, very recently, and I'm still deciding if it's helpful or not. But it's supposed to help to get less muscle fatigue. So I'm trying to decide if it's helpful or not. I'm still in the process of taking this. I don't know if I would take this if I were you, but I'm testing it out right now to see if it's helpful. It's good greens too. It's just an overall healthy supplement is what I've read online, and then that's about it for my daily. I take one of these in the morning, one of these at night. I take one of these in the morning. I take 2 of these in the morning. That's the recommended. Take 1 of these a day, and I take 2 of these in the morning. And that's it. And my final word about these supplements is that you might not be able to feel the effects of any of this stuff really. Like, you might not be able to feel it when you first get it. But if things like these can help you stay motivated and stuff in the gym, I think it's worth the money. If you realize that maybe spirulina is helping you recover faster and you think it's making you recover faster, so you're doing better in the gym, I think it's worth it, in my opinion, to buy this or buy fish oil or buy caffeine for yourself. To me, in my opinion, it's worth it to try out different things if you really want to. Alright, thank you guys for watching.